Hello guys, glad to have you back. So here in this video, as usual, let's get into our Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Coming to Bank Nifty futures today, Bank Nifty itself has opened inside value area with a open low. If you go through my videos, I was saying this open low is very less reliable, and at the same time, with the opening inside the value area, it's very less likely that the prices will straight away go up. And I was also pointing you the levels for up move 52,350 levels, which is the previous multi-day balance low, and where the value area starts. If the prices gets accepted, there is a good possibility Bank Nifty will go for 52,700 level. Now I was also pointing you that there was a good amount of accumulation that has happened above the previous day high, indicating that the main trend itself is still high. The first 30 minutes itself has made a 280 points, indicating the high IB itself is very high, so there is going to be some kind of pullback. But if you look at the Bank Nifty has formed two volume clusters, so one at the middle around the half back of the first 30 minutes, and there was one more volume cluster at the top. So whenever the prices comes down towards these volume clusters, the buyers whoever are there around these levels, they will load their guns again. So which happened exactly somewhere around 52,100 levels. If you look at exactly at that price, buyers again loaded their guns and the prices went up, which I had been updating in my Telegram group. If Bank Nifty would have sustained, let's say, a few points below these volume clusters, likelihood the prices would have gone down to this low level, and then it might have even covered the somewhere around 51,850 levels. It could have covered, but that has not happened. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking is 52,350 level. It remains the same, so look for how the price sustains, whether the price is sustaining for 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes like that above these 350 levels, or will the prices closes inside today's value area. If the prices closes below value area, there is going to be a sideways market, or the prices might even come down all the way down to 51,970 levels, and even it will go for 51,800 levels. So here you need to be watching for 52,100 levels for any further down move. If it sustains above 52,350, as obviously I was saying multiple times, it will go for 52,700, but in multiple targets. I don't think that it will go straight up. So maybe it might take 2 to 3 days like that. So there is a good amount of unfinished business around closing point at either side, 1.7k, 2.2k, and at 1.1k, 665. So this decides for tomorrow. Any moderate gap, there will be a good chance prices will come down towards this, and the POC itself likely will test. So to counteract this strong price magnets, whatever has formed at closing, there has to be a strong up move, which ideally speaking it should be above 52,350 to 380 levels. If it sustains that level, easily you will see further up move in a day or two. So this is with Bank Nifty. So coming to Nifty, what happened is it also has opened inside the value area, indicating local presence at the time of openings. But initiative buyers, they tried their best to send the markets upside. But we have an open test drive, which is a strong indication of initiative buying. While the open test drive has formed, it has left a strong price magnet at the low, indicating the up move might not sustain. Also, I was pointing on Friday's video saying that 25,500 level, it might act as a very good round number, and round numbers, they have good amount of resistances, right? Sellers will try to sell around those levels. So if you focus on the first 30 minutes, despite of strong delta 7.3k, it shouldn't be ignored in a normal circumstances. So but because the low itself is a strong price magnet, the prices came down strongly downside. Once the lower volume cluster around the half back has been broken, that gave you some kind of sell signal towards the low and towards the value area low. So on these kind of days where you have price magnets at one side and there is a strong amount of delta on the other side, so what happens is, as the prices comes down in this case because of price magnet, the aggressive buyers who have come in the morning, they try to buy it and try to take control. Once the price magnets they get revisited, so it got revisited, and Then we have seen a good amount of absorption around 1145 indicated by this indicated by the volume clusters here, and then there was a higher high continuously, but the high itself is still secure, so indicating still sellers are present there. For any further up move, 25,490 levels has to be sustained. Any close above this on any 15 minutes or 30 minutes, buyers are going to take control. The initiative buyers, whoever come today, they will try to take control. Another 100 points we can expect. So if at all there is going to be a flat opening, that is going to be tricky one, but still it's no way to short. The reason is you have multiple single prints around this point. So if at all there is going to be a gap down below these levels, somewhere around 25,330 levels, then that is going to be a good buying opportunity for option buyers. And I would suggest you not to hurry to enter any trades, and look for how the price reacts around the second single print which has formed on last Thursday, or the first single print, which is a pretty big one from 25,120 levels to 25,220 levels. So this eventually gets balanced out, but when that is going to be tricky. Once the buying momentum is lost, then the prices will revert to this level. So I can be sure that because the value itself is overlapping, yes, the value traders are trying to push into the previous value levels. So maybe next 2 to 3 days it might again overlap continuously, and then it might come down, so that we can't really say where there will be a swing high exactly, but a overlapping value indicates that the momentum is losing gradually. Again, closely watch for US markets. Our markets are nearly following US markets in up move. So to get these insights in live markets, you can follow my Telegram channel attached in the description, or if you are keen on learning order flow charts, you can click on the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you guys, have a great day.